is Ilyas. I work as a system analyst, senior system analyst in Paradox, and I wanted to go ahead in my career, and I thought artificial intelligence and machine learning and data science is the next career for me. So I did a lot of research, and there were a lot of boot camps that were available, which was easy for me to grasp it. But I want to learn from the foundation, so I found Ambeone and Miss Rita and Shushan. They're doing a good job. I have spoke to them. I came here, I met them, and then I enrolled in myself, and I had a good concepts of statistics, and I'm trying to do what I have learned. I'm trying to practice in my everyday work, and Miss Rita and they are very helpful, and I'm getting very good handhold from them, anytime I can just WhatsApp them and they will give me do this, try this kind of, it's not only the learning and after that you come out of it. It's a continuous engagement, and they really take this into the next level, and they really see each and every student as their real like a mentor. They mentor us, and I really appreciate what I have gone through, and what I'm getting into, and the kind of mentorship I'm getting from them, and I appreciate Ambeone is doing well, and it's good. Thank you.